Oh no! Help! The kitchen is on fire! Water! Where is the water?
Grandpa, step away from the stove immediately. Do not touch the pan. Put a wet cloth over the flames now.
How did my peaceful evening turn into a complete disaster? Let us go back to the beginning of the story.
I am going to visit my sister for the evening. There is plenty of fresh food inside the refrigerator.
Don't worry about me, sweet Grandma. Go enjoy your time with your sister. I can cook a wonderful dinner all by myself. Now Grandma is gone and the house is quiet. I am very hungry. It is time to start my cooking mission.
Let us see what we have inside the refrigerator. Refrigerator is a long word. We can also call it a fridge.
I found some raw chicken and green onions. Raw means the food is fresh and not cooked yet. This is a chopping board. We use a chopping board to cut vegetables and meat into small pieces safely. To cut something into small pieces with a knife is called chopping. I am chopping onions for my special dinner.
Oh, wow! These onions are making me cry. My eyes are burning terribly. Chopping onions is very difficult.
Next, I need a pan. A pan is a flat metal container used for cooking food on top of a stove. Now I turn on the heat. Beautiful blue flames appear under the pan. We must always adjust the heat carefully. Always add a little cooking oil first. Oil helps cook the food smoothly and prevents it from sticking to the pan. Ingredients are the food items you mix together to make a dish. My ingredients are chicken and onions. To mix ingredients by moving a spoon in a circle is called stirring. I am stirring the chicken right now. Listen, the chicken is making a sizzling sound. Sizzle means the sound of food frying in hot oil. Beautiful.
Oh, look! Someone sent me a funny cat video. This is hilarious. Let me watch it quickly. The food will be fine. But I am completely distracted by my smartphone. The food needs attention. This is dangerous.
Wait a minute. What is that strange smell? It smells like something is burning in the kitchen. Oh no, the chicken! The chicken is completely burnt. Burnt means damaged or blackened by too much heat. This is very bad.
Fire! The pan has caught fire. The flames are getting bigger every second. What should I do now? Help me, please.
I will throw water on the oil fire. Water stops fire, right? Let me fill this cup with water quickly.
Stop, Grandpa. Never throw water on an oil fire. It will explode and get much bigger. Watch me cover it with this wet towel.
To stop a fire by covering it is called smothering. The wet towel smothers the dangerous flames.
The fire is finally out. Out means the fire has stopped burning completely.
I am so sorry, Grandma.
I am so sorry, Grandma. I got distracted by a funny cat video on my smartphone. I ruined our dinner.
It is okay, Grandpa. Mistakes happen. But remember, safety always comes first. Never leave a hot pan alone on the stove.
Today we learned refrigerator, chop, ingredients, sizzle, burnt, distracted, smother. Say each word slowly with me.
Subscribe to Nana English Daily for more slow English stories.
New video every 2 days. Goodbye, everyone.